Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond Control, the power of true surrender. Ladies and gentlemen, across centuries, humanity has searched for peace, yet it remains elusive even in an age of extraordinary progress. More information, more control, and more technology have not guaranteed calmness of mind. The paradox is clear. The tighter one tries to hold life, the more it slips away. The answer lies not in greater control, but in a deeper principle, surrender. But here, surrender does not mean defeat or passivity. It is not the giving up of strength. It is the discovery of a higher strength by aligning with the greater intelligence that sustains existence. This surrender is not an escape from responsibility, but a way of living with clarity, coherence, and peace. Both science and wisdom affirm this truth. Physics shows that resonance arises when frequencies synchronize. Biology reveals that a healthy body is one where cells work together in harmony. Psychology teaches that peak performance or flow happens when thought, action, and purpose align. The universe itself holds together through vast patterns of balance and order. Ancient wisdom called this rhythm Ratha, the law of cosmos. The Bhagavad Gita described it as union with the eternal, where individual will meets universal law. Modern neuroscience adds that when the mind releases its rigid grip, brain waves become more coherent, stress decreases, and creativity expands. In daily life, surrender works like a river flowing around rocks, not by resisting obstacles, but by moving with them, keeping its direction and strength. True surrender is not weakness. It is intelligent adaptation. It is the courage to let go of the illusion of control while staying anchored to purpose. By contrast, surrender is often misunderstood as helplessness or resignation. That view is incomplete. True surrender is active, not passive. It is participation without fear, engagement without clinging. It transforms effort into ease, just as music becomes beautiful not by forcing notes but by blending with rhythm. What's the way forward? To live this higher form of surrender today, the following 4 points may provide guidance. First, quiet the mind. Begin each day with stillness, a few moments of silence, breath, or meditation. This tunes the inner rhythm to life's larger flow. Second, act with alignment. Choose actions guided not by fear or failure or need for control, but by deeper values. Work in alignment brings energy rather than exhaustion. Third, welcome uncertainty. See uncertainty not as chaos, but as the space where creativity and renewal emerge. Trust in the unfolding builds resilience. Fourth, foster harmony together. Just as synchronized voices create harmony in a choir, societies thrive when empathy, dialogue, and shared purpose guide them. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Lord Krishna in the revered Bhagavad Gita assures those who, surrendering all actions to me, look upon me as the supreme goal, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. This is the essence of true surrender. A trust that life itself supports the aligned soul. When the mind yields to the higher rhythm, life is no longer a battlefield of control, but a symphony of coherence. Every action then shines like starlight in the night sky, distinct yet inseparable from the cosmos. Such surrender does not weaken, it illuminates. It turns the restless search for peace into the quiet strength of being peace. In that stillness, the finite touches the infinite, and life resonates with timeless harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.